It is the trigonometric chapter. So the important question, 1 mark. First question is, show that tan square theta minus 1 by cos square theta is equals to minus 1. It is the LHS. Take LHS. Tan square theta minus 1 by cos square theta. In place of tan theta, we know that tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. You have to substitute in place of tan theta, sin theta by tan square theta by cos square theta minus 1 by cos square theta. You have to substitute and take LCM. Cos square theta. In denominator is cos theta same. So write the numerator like that. Minus 1. Take minus 1 LCM, minus 1 common. It becomes as 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta. In place of 1 minus cos square theta, from first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. We have to find out the cos square theta. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. In place of 1 minus sin square theta, you have to substitute cos square theta. Minus cos square theta by cos square theta. Answer is minus 1. RHS. Hence proved. Now the second question is, if tan theta is equal to root 3, where theta is acute means 90 below, then the find value of 1 plus cos theta. You have to take tan theta is equals to root 3. That means tan theta is equals to tan 60. How it is? Tan 60 is equals to sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Answer is root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Tan cancel. Theta is equals to 60 degrees. In the question, asking 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is equals to 1 plus cos. In place of theta is 60. 1 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2. Take LCM. 2 plus 1 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2. Now another question. Evaluate sin 58 by cos 32. Sin 58 by cos 32. Tan 42 by cot 48. In the denominator cos cot, I change like 90 minus theta from first quadrant. 90 minus theta. Sin 58 by cos 90 minus 58, that is 32, cos 32. Tan 42 degrees. Cot 90 minus 48. 42. 90 minus 42, 48. Sin 58 by cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Sin 58 plus tan 42. Cot 90 minus cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So here tan 42. Cancel tan 42, tan 42. 1, 1, 1, 1. That is 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Answer. Question number 4 from trigonometry chapter. If sin A is equals to 1 by root 2 and cot B is equals to 1, prove the sin A plus B is equals to 1. Where A and B are both acute angles, means below 90 degrees. First of all, sin A, we are finding A value, angle of A. Sin A is equals to root 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Sin A is equals to sin of 45 degrees. Okay, sin cancel. A is equals to 45 degrees. Here cot B is equals to 1. Cot B is equals to cot 45 degrees. Cot cancel. B is equals to 45 degrees. A and B are is equals to. Asking here, prove that sin A plus B is LHS. So sin 45 plus 45 sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 is 1 is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Question number 5. If cos theta is equals to 1 by root 2, then find the value of 4 plus cos theta. First we are finding the theta. Cos theta is equals to 1 by root 2. Here cos theta is equal to cos 45 is equals to 1 by root 2. Then you can write the in place of 1 by root 2 is equals to cos 45 degrees. Cos cancel, theta is equals to 45 degrees. Now you have to substitute 4 plus cot theta in theta plus 45. 4 plus cot theta is equals to 4 plus cot 45 degrees. 4 plus cot 45 is 1. So 5. That is the answer. Find the value of tan 2a if cos 3a is equal to sin 45. From this, we have to find the value of a. Cos 3a is equals to sin 45. We know that sin 45 is equals to cos 45. That is equals to 1 by root 2. In place of sin 45, we are substituting cos 45. Cos 3a is equals to cos 45. Cos cancel, 3a is equals to 45. A is equals to 45 by 3. A is equals to 3 1 ja 3 5 ja. A is equals to 15 degrees. What here asking in the problem is find the value of tan 2a. Tan 2a. Tan into 2 into 15 in the place of a. Tan 2 15 ja 30. Value of tan 30. What is the tan 30? Tan 30 is equals to sin 30 by cos 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, then the answer is 1 by root 3. Okay? Answer is 1 by root 3. Now the seventh question is prove that 4 tan square 45 minus cos square 30 plus cos 30 is equals to 3 by 4. Okay. Here, what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. Sin cosec 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Then reciprocal of sin 30 is cos 30. That is 2. And cos 30 is 3 by 2. Okay. You have to substitute these values in this. 4 tan square 45 minus cosec square 30 plus cos square 30. This is the LHS. RHS is 3 by 4. We can prove this. LHS. We are taking LHS. 4 into tan 45. Tan 45 is 1 square minus cosec square 30, cosec square 32, 2 square plus cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 square. 4 into 1 square 4 minus 2 square is 4 plus root 3 by 2 is root 3 square by 4. Okay, this is cancelled. So 0 plus root square cancelled. Square and root cancelled. 3 by 4. 0 plus 3 by 4 is 3 by 4. That is RHS. Hence proved. From this chapter, 8th question, 1 mark, very important question. In previous examination, it comes. Take cosec 39 degrees, secant 51 degrees minus tan 51 degrees, cot 39 degrees. Cosec and cot, you can change it from 90 minus theta. We are changing the theta from first quadrant 90 minus theta. Cosec, you write like this, cosec 90 minus 39 degrees. Okay, sorry, 51. Secant 51. Tan 51. Okay, you have to write cot like this. Tan 90 minus 51. In the first quadrant, cosec 90 minus theta is secant theta. Tan 90, sorry, here write cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Here, see, cosec 90 minus theta, secant theta, secant 51 degrees into secant 51 degrees minus tan 51 into cot 90 minus theta, tan 51 degrees. Write this, secant 51 into secant 51, secant square 51 minus tan 51 into tan square 51. It is the identity of secant theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. And the value of secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1.